Well, good afternoon from sunny Medellin. I'm back. I've got over the virus of undefinable origin now, and I'm feeling a lot better. And it put me behind on all my videos, but I'm just about ready to go now with the tasting video for Cumbres del Atrato. So let's go right ahead. Let's get tasting the Cumbres del Atrato. Here we are, one more time with Cumbres del Atrato. The reason why I'm back is because basically the COVID robbed me totally of my taste. So when I went to taste it, it was like zero there, yeah? So, let's start again, shall we? Now, I need to fill up my little mill here, whilst casually dropping beans all over the place, you'll understand, because that's just the kind of guy I am. Wide-eyed, big-bottomed anarchist. Right, now, let's get some of that crunch, man. So the big question is to turn your hand or to turn the grinder, or a bit of both, or not to mention any of that stuff at all. But anyway, we'll be back to you soon once I've finished doing it by hand. Easy, shut your face. Well, nobody said life was free. So, like, you know, the one in the kitchen's a lot faster, but hey, this is a lot more fun. Maybe. So there she goes, the last bean. Right, let's get her out. And let's get her in. Now, personally, I'm going to do this with about what I would regard as 3 cups of water. And I'd like to warm up these cups. Now, this water is also, it's not tap water, yeah? So let's call that 1. And let's warm up the other cup, because I'm just the kind of guy who likes a warm cup. 2. One cup's going to be warmer than the other. Well, that's just life, isn't it? Well, we guys know that 1 cup tends to be warmer than the other. Make of that what you will. Okay, I'm going to set the timer for 4 minutes. Be patient, and we'll be right back. So, whilst I'm using up this 4 minutes here, I'd like to say one last time, Cumbres del Atrato. Thank you very much, Alejandro, thank you very much. This has been a very interesting moment for 100 Cups Colombia. I'm not even wearing the shirt, that's how tranquil I am tonight. So, thank you all very much. Thank you everybody who's been watching. Like, particularly subscribe, I would say, because we got 160 and we want to get up to the big 200, yeah? So that would be really cool if you'd subscribe. And of course, feel free to leave a comment. Don't be shy. Well, that's your 4 minutes up, so let's push that plunger, guys and girls. Oh, there she goes. I don't like to duff it into the bottom. Easy, easy. But the way you people think is shocking. So, why, she's got a good colour to her. So let's have, ooh, hey, that's definitely going in. Albert's tossing his cup. Ooh, Rightio, let's put that over there. So, fragrance. It's mellow. That's what I can tell you. It's very mellow. I'm not getting the citrusy vibe that I got off a Esperanza. But at least this time I can actually smell something, so that's always a good start. So let's have a wee sip, shall we? I can tell you I'm very glad to taste something. I can taste it on the top, on the underside. Now let's think about it. I'm going to have another wee blast. It's got a little bit of bitterness about it. A little bit of bitterness, just enough, not too much. It's not like, you know, it's not one of these real dark roasts. But there's not an awful lot of citrusy stuff there this time. I'm just gonna have to keep going because I'm not entirely with you yet. I'm not entirely with myself yet. Yeah, it's smooth. Just enough bitterness to make it interesting. I think what the people would know would say that there's a little bit of caramelly sweetness in there. If I was to get all wine tastery with you. Let's have another blast. Yeah, chocolatey, caramelly, because you know that's what these people will tell you is that you kind of have to find a taste that it's not necessarily the taste, but it's you can identify with that particular, you know, sensation on your palate. So it's not like a boom thing so much. But if it was me, I would say that's a nice, smooth, not particularly bitter, but just a touch, and pleasantly backed up with a little bit of caramel and chocolate. God, I'm glad to have my taste buds back. Anyway, I'm sure you've all heard enough from me, so thanks. Once again, and on we go to the next one. But Cumbres del Atrato, yeah man, count me in.